Okay, this is the SOM Berthiot f2.5 to f22. Focus from 7 feet to infinity, or 2 meters to infinity. It has the markings for both. It's a 20 to 70 millimeter zoom. It comes with the original front SOM Berthiot cap, the marking on it, and an aluminum rear cap. This lens belonged to a famous Hollywood filmmaker from the 1940s named F.W. Corbett. I currently have it at f5.6. Oh no, let me do that. f5.6, and it's at 20 millimeter, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. As you can see, you wouldn't have the black lens circle. And I got a nice barge there. Let me try to get that in. Alright, let me go to infinity and f8. Always use a light meter. And f8. As you can see, it's a really nice lens. This lens back in the day cost about $500-600, probably a month's pay in the 40s. Okay, that's 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. Like I said, I currently have this at f8 and infinity. I use a sonic light meter. So this is a nice lens. It goes with the Bolix package. Take a look at the video and everything else. It's a good deal.